सर आपका पार्सल।
Sorry, not interested. I don't want to buy anything. I'm very busy right now.
Please open the door, sir. Please, I have something very important to tell you.
Sorry, I don't want anything.
You will be killed today.
What?
Your death is written today.
What bullshit is this? Just get away from here.
This is no bullshit. It's a prophecy.
Prophecy. Prophecy, my foot. Get lost. Stop this shit. Stop it.
Please listen to me. Believe me, your death has been foretold. You are going to be killed today, right here in your house.
Fuck off.
Please, please open the door. I'm not mad. Let me explain, please.
Are you crazy or something?
Looks like it's here. All right. I'm sorry I didn't introduce myself. I'm a doctor, a psychiatrist. I work at the mental hospital.
Even if you're a doctor, you're extremely rude.
Do you know what is hypnosis? It is often used as a treatment in mental patients.
So, what's that got to do with me? Do I look mad to you?
Patience, my friend, patience. Can we sit down, please?
It's got everything to do with you. Hear me out, please.
Under hypnotic influence, a person can reveal a lot about his past. We use this as a therapy.
You have already said this to me.
And there are some special cases who can foretell the future under a hypnotic trance.
So what you're trying to tell me? The special cases has predicted my death, huh?
I wouldn't laugh if I were you. I know it sounds crazy, but believe me, it's true. We've had this patient under observation for a pretty long time, and all his predictions are accurate. 100%. A rare gift.
I don't believe this.
Please believe. He has predicted you will be attacked by a blunt weapon. He has described your locality and your house in detail. How else do you think I could come here? Please, if you want to live, just get away from here. Now.
Now, whether I live or die is my problem, not yours. And now if you're finished, get lost.
I feel sorry for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much for feeling sorry for me. Now please go. Go.
Sir, do you have a portrait in your room?
What?
A portrait.
No.
Are you sure? What's that? Why are you lying to me?
Are you my father to talk to me like this?
No. But just remember, The special case described your flat in detail. The flat number, the furniture, the painting, even the cookbook your wife has ordered. You have to believe me. You are in great danger. Please follow my advice.
What's there to follow? I'm still alive, am I not? Doesn't this mean that your prophecy is nothing but a load full of bullshit?
It's not bullshit. Please believe me. It will happen soon. How else could I know all that I have told you? Please believe me. You have to leave.
You fucking fraud. I should have realized this earlier. When you entered the room, you memorized everything. Who the hell you are, I don't know. What you want, I don't know. Now better leave. Get out! Get lost. Get lost.
I feel sorry for you. Really sorry.
To fuck you, sorry. Now get lost. Just get lost.
Are you okay?
You bastard.
Can you guess how I knew who you were? Let me tell you how. When I asked you about the portrait, you said no, because you did not know about it, right? And then, when I told you about the parcel ordered by your wife, you just did not react. Remember? But the fact is, the person who lives in this house has been divorced a long time back. He lived alone here. I knew these details because they were foretold by that special patient, and that meant you were not what you pretended to be, right? But the prophecies were never wrong, which meant you had killed the owner before I arrived. I reached late. The man was already dead. Do you really want to know who I am? I am the special patient. And you?
You fucking betrayer.
You, my friend, are the murderer.